Hi guys, it's Yubs again. Gusto kong i-review itong Algorand, altcoin ng Algorand. Siya, ang maximum supply niya ay 10 billion. Issue price niya 2019 noon is $2.4. Ang all-time high niya noon sa 2019, $3.28. Ang all-time low, $0.08 nung nakaraang March 2026. At ngayon, ang real-time price niya ngayon ay $0.1188. So, maganda to i-hold long-term yung Algorand. Saka, maganda siya dahil quantum resistant siya. Ito guys, i-inkuan ko yung kanya, yung review niya. I-review na Algorand is viewed as a high-performance layer 1 blockchain that is transitioning from a period of historical price decline to a phase of institutional validation. While it boasts industry-leading technology including zero downtime and quantum-resistant security, it continues to struggle with community size and competition from larger ecosystems like Ethereum and Solana. So, kasi guys, in the future, may quantum computing is ang kalaban ng crypto. Yun ang paghandaan natin. Pero itong Algorand, nakahanda na siya. Quantum resistant siya, security. So, magandang i-hold to guys kung sino yung gustong mag-invest long term. Yun lang guys.